When Bitcoin was $16,000, everyone thought the bull run could not end. Now at $20,000, everyone thinks the bear market will never end. However, markets go in the cycles, everything ends and soon the bulls will take over. Hello, welcome back again with another new video of the Bitcoin. Before we deeply dive into the video, I'm going to be talking about the two scenes of the Bitcoins, which is the Bitcoin's bull and bear markets and the future price predictions of the Bitcoins. We are not involved in this video personally, and we are not know what's the futures of the Bitcoins. This video depends upon only the experts' points of the view, which can be correct or not correct. So first confirm it with your own research if you need. So back to the main topics.
The deflationary signals in the pipeline. Interestingly, one price indicator associated with innovation is beginning to hold up better than other prices, and that's Bitcoin. It's been interesting to see it flatline in the last month, while other indicators are reaching for new lows. Now, this is not surprising in the late stages of a bear market. In our experience, innovation starts to outperform in the late stages of a bear market. Why does that happen? It happens because innovation is the new leadership.
Interview with the YouTube channels Orc Invest, keyword ways on the M2 growth gain, inventory piles up, liability driven investing, commodity prices, and why we believe the Fed is making a huge mistakes in this period. She also said that fiscal policy, monetary policy, market signals, economic indicators, and the innovations. Growth always said that what the stocks, bonds market, and the main things, what's the price predictions for the Bitcoins.
There's a level I'm watching for a potential near-term breakout. Now, let's not fool ourselves. The bigger pattern is still bearish. So you have the big drop and the same kind of thing as chain link going on. But look at this trend line from this pivot to this pivot high to this pivot high right down. And look at how Bitcoin's trying to break out. If it can break above this, I think you get a short-term short squeeze where this could at least see 22.5, maybe even 25,000. So again, that's kind of how I'm favoring. I think there's a lot of bearishness because of how dead Bitcoin has been. And I think you might get some sort of breakout here in the near term. I don't think it's a long-term breakout. I still think the longer term, you're still stuck inside of this longer-term range, which is bearish. But it doesn't mean as a trader I can't make money in the near term on the long side if we get a breakout. So short term would be neutral to bullish, I would say. Longer term, over the next couple months into year end, I'd be worried that by year end it starts breaking lower again.
Bitcoin might hit $100,000 sooner than you think that. What is a brutal bear market? Bitcoin will shoot over $100,000 in the 2023 before largest bear markets traders. New all-time highs are closer than many might mistakes, says credible crypto, but is a brutal bear market unlike any crypto others. The $10,000 price tag belongs to the full-filled co-founder of the trading site, decentralized and a popular analyst too. Cop of the crypto continues to insist that $14,000, $16,000 and swiftly enters after Bitcoin sees a life bounce to around $21,000. All I see as a lot of shorts that should be squeezed. He told forwards on October 21, subsequently as suggesting that the bounce was now beginning. All I see as a lot of shorts that should be squeezed. Shorting post is not a good idea. Send it to a $21,000, then nuke it to a $14,000. Bitcoin price projections 2022-2013 according to the crypto experts. Bitcoin price rose by 2.7% on 3rd October 2023. It is traded for over $19,000. Some experts believe that this is a bullish signal. Despite the bear market, Elon Musk holds about $218 million of the Bitcoin as reported by the Decrypt. Bitcoin current price is $19,000 somewhere as of 20 October with a 14-hour trading volume of the US at $22,000. Bitcoin price is still falling today as this condition could be a Bitcoin price continues in 2022. Every cryptocurrency expert strongly has a different analysis and the predictions of the Bitcoin price. However, despite the recent volatility in the price decreases, many of them still have faith that Bitcoin would be able to reach $100,000. Bitcoin and beyond, the futures of cryptocurrency investing. Experts weighs in on the futures of the crypto as currency ahead of the CoinDesk IDEAS at the conference. Since 2009, when Bitcoin was quietly launched by its creator, the technology spurred thousands of the digital money projects, creating a vibrant and lucrative landscapes for investors. Investors now come in all sorts of the flavors. What once was a small group of the geeky believes in now a diverse crowd of the people, from cyberpunks to big mainstream companies and large investment funds. The top 5 cryptocurrencies that are bullish right now in 2022, most analysts predict that present cryptocurrency market will exit the tightest trading range it has been the last 2 years. First, I have to take the technical bull and the bear market since April 2023. Bitcoin cycle tops were 2013, 17 and 2021, as well as the subsequent boost pivot, as well as the observed how long the bear markets lasted before taking a turn towards the upside. A bullish pivot after the 2013 cycle top started after 81 weeks, while the next bullish pivot started after 68 weeks of the bearishness. This has led sessions to the conclusion that the next bull market should begin as an average of 75 weeks after the November 2021 cycle top. According to this chart, as things stand, Bitcoin is trading at $19,000, representing a decline of the 0.19% on the day, but still an increase of 0.70% compared to the previous 7 days. Its market capitalization is currently standing at $367.09 billion, according to the coin market data retrieved by the Fed node on October 20. How long will be the bear market last? Understand? How long will be the bear market last? Signs to watch for a crypto market reversal. This crypto bear market has been long and painful, but here are a few things that might signal when it comes to an end. Let's take a look on this chart. The Federal Reserve announced that it was taking stringent measures to accelerate tapering of the monthly bond purchases. In other words, the United States plans to introduce measures that slow down its economy to control the rising inflation in the country. The following graph shows that the inflation trend from 2016 to 2022. According to this chart, crypto analysts believe that leverage was another primary case of the current bear market. Leverage entails pledging a small amount of the money as collateral to borrow a large amount for investing. In this case, investors borrow from exchange to finance their investment in the market. Analysts study market cycles to predict when a bear market will come to an end. Generally, the market cycles include 4 phases: accumulations, markup, distributions, and the markdown. For Bitcoin, the market cycle occurs over 4 years or 127 days. The last phase usually relates to the bear markets. If the current market cycle takes a similar structure as of the 2022 and the 2016 cycles and the grayscale findings are accurate, then the bear market could end between November 2022 and December 2022. Bitcoin maximalists tend to look towards the Bitcoin halving as an indicator to predict the next bull run. Examining history, Bitcoin has formed a peak within 18 months of each Bitcoin block reward halving. According to this tweet, investing allocations and the subsequent Bitcoin return, the bottom is not known yet and the potential 400% gains after that. This period only covers one secular Bitcoin bull market. In a secular bear market, Bitcoin may behave differently. The Bitcoin bull market is always coming after the bear market. The average Bitcoin bear market lasts 12.5 months. This is called the golden bull cycle ratio. We are now at month 11 and the Fed is considering to stop the hiking of interest rate. That's it for today. If you haven't already, subscribe to the Bitcoin Thinking and turning on the red notifications button so you'll never miss any for future fascinating and interesting video like that one. So see you next time.